Hello, my name is Roger, and this is a perceptual map spreadsheet I developed for the capstone simulation. It is an interactive spreadsheet, meaning that the map reacts to inputs. The scroll bar next to the perceptual map controls the movement of the segments across the perceptual map, and it's a day-by-day movement. As the scroll bar is moved down, the current date right here will increase and the segments will move, and they move in relationship to the date. So wherever the date ends, that's where the location of the perceptual map would be for that day. Once products are entered into the products table here, I have entered cake with a revision date of June 30th, 2017. I can move the scroll bar down until the current date is June 30th, 2017, and then I can see the placement of that product in relation to the ideal spot, which is the little white dot there. The green area represents an A rating zone, which gives you the highest customer survey scores. So you can see where your products are and try to maximize your product's location in relation to the ideal spot, keeping it in the A rating zone to receive the most sales. Now, this spreadsheet is available, either the instructions so you can create it yourself, or you can get the actual spreadsheet from me. Just email me at rogjewell@gmail.com. Now, if you would like a more complete R&D spreadsheet for the capstone simulation, contact me and I will send you a video of the other spreadsheet I have, and you can determine whether you want to receive that one instead of this one. Thank you.